Here I have ALCATEL 1B, and today I'm going to show you how to enable installation from the unknown sources on this device. So firstly, you have to open Settings, then go to the Apps section, then go to the Special App Access, and then Install Unknown Apps. Here you can see the whole list of the apps through which you can install unknown apps. Let's select, for example, Google Chrome, and here you can enable this feature, and now you can install from the unknown apps through the Google Chrome, and you can do the same thing to the other apps from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.